Today, Suman has come to share his success story. Let's listen, right? So, Suman, you can talk about your success story. You can talk about it. Go ahead.
Yeah. Thank you. First of all, thank you all of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Manish sir, and thank you also, Sam sir. So yeah, I have attended 2 to 3 interviews. Not selected. They asked about me, the Jenkins, GitHubs, and most question about form related. So at that time, I have not taught that. Also, we have not taught that. I have attended randomly, so I am not selected on that interview. Then I have after that after completion of the form, I gone through that again in the Jenkins. I have attended the receipt interview and they selected and they asked most about the Git and form DDT. Uh, then in Java they asked about strings, array, and in the every interview they ask collection about the collections and how you use the collection in your current project and in your automation, how you use the collection that they've asked. And yeah, and most probably the form questions and how you use that DDT with form uh, and the framework, how you use that annotation, what is the priority invocation case, invocation count, and annotations, order of annotations. Uh, yeah, most of this question they asked me.
That's great. Can you also tell them what are questions that was asked to you from string concept, string and array?
Yeah, in the string they've asked about me the contents of the and sorry, it was sorry, not contents. That means they've given the string like ABC, 1, 2, 3, and from that you have to how many digits are there, how many alphabets are there, and repetition of alphabet, the count of alphabet they've asked, and about the substrings they've asked, and
Substring,
the palindrome they've asked,
palindrome,
palindrome, anagram, the both question they've asked.
anagram. Wow, that's beautiful.
And in the string, yeah, and they have asked in get into handles for that, how you use the get into handles by
How
using
you handle get into handles, is it? Oh, wow.
mm, find element, difference between find elements they've asked. And and in array, what is the difference between array list, linked list? They've asked in the collection.
Oh,
And using the scanner class, how can you use that the function of the scanner? How do you enter? Suppose any user you want to enter the string function by using, how can you use that the
using
href?
scanner.
Yeah, uh, yeah, that was a question. And I have written all the questions. I will share with this answer. I have written out everything. Yeah.
That's great.
And in the manual also they have asked about that regression testing, system testing, integration testing, uh, and something about the SQL also they have asked.
In SQL, what is asked? Can you just tell them?
Just about only the detail and DML concept, how to join, how to inner and outer join they have asked. And,
Okay. That's great, Suman. And what's your total year of experience as of now?
I have 5 years of experience.
5 years. Okay, that's great. Which city you live in?
Now at Bangalore, but I get at Hyderabad location.
Oh, wow, that's great. So your salary got double. That's so good, Suman. Are you married?
No,
No. Okay. So it's a good news. That's really great, Suman. Anything else you want to share that might help others?
yeah, just go through that every classes and revision is most important and practice and assignments. I have to complete all the assignments. That will be helpful. Nothing.
That's great, Suman. That's
Just to
great.
attend the classes and concentrate on the class only. That will be definitely get the idea about that.
That's really great, Suman. Thank you so much for sharing your success story with everyone. I'm pretty sure that it might have motivated few of them. So that's really good. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, whatever the questions that he got, we will also put it in the group. Please go through it, right? Please go through it. It will really motivate you guys, right? You never know when your salary will become double in India, right? So you never know. Right? You never know. Once upon a time, my salary was 3 lakhs. In my next job, I got a salary of 9 lakhs. It got tripled. Just letting you know, right? From 9 lakhs, I converted it to 14 lakhs. From 14, I converted it to 18 lakhs, then 19 lakhs, then 23 lakhs, then 26 lakhs, 27 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Then I left my job, right? I'm just letting you know. And it all happened in a very short span of time, right? So, I mean, just requesting everyone that you never know that when your family will be so proud of you. I mean, please revise every concept. I think that should be really very sufficient, right? So please revise all the concepts. My request and suggestions to each and every one of you. You never know which is your day. You never know, right? I also want to tell you that I got my first job in my 11th interview, and I got my first job in 11th interview again, right? So I struggled in first 10 interviews to get a first job. I struggled again in 10 interviews to get my second job, right? But I was happy that my salary got tripled, right? And I mean, I'm being very frank. That time when my salary got tripled, my salary got more than my father's salary. Right, my salary became more than my elder brother's salary. My salary became more than any member of my whole family. I'm just letting you know, just trying to motivate you. So you never know which is your day, right? So till yesterday, I was getting a salary of let's say 27,000. I suddenly started getting 75,000. It makes a huge change in your life. Hope you all agree in India, right? And when I last left my organization, I was almost getting 2.5 lakhs in my account. I'm just letting you know. I'm only talking about from my corporate salary. I'm not telling you from my teaching salary, right? I mean, you never know which day is yours. You really don't know, right? And one more suggestion. Sometime what used to happen that interview is there, but we feel that we have not revised it. Sometimes we feel that interview is there, but we have not revised it. So we decide to let's ignore this interview. I will request all of you to never do that. Never do that. I went to one of my interview called Oracle company, Oracle in Bangalore. Oracle is present in Bangalore. I went there to give an interview. That time my year of experience was just 13 months, right? In my first two rounds of interview, I did worst interview of my life. But I don't know what they saw in me. I got selected in that company. My salary became from 3 lakhs to 8 lakhs. Then one more company gave me 9 lakhs. So I joined there. I didn't join Oracle because of this. Right? That time my salary was that time my experience was just 13 months. Just letting all of you know here. Right? So I still remember that when I went to give the Oracle company interview, I mean, I still remember that there were so many students with me. The first round of interview was they had given me a program to write it called reverse string program. They gave me a piece of paper and write the program. Not only that, just like that, they also asked me to write some string function. I'm talking about 2016 year, long ago, right? So I did, but I did mistakes also, right? But I don't know how come they selected me. Then I gave my second round of interview. In second round of interview, they asked me complete questions from collection. I could not answer many questions, but they still selected me. I don't know why. See, I'm feeling I was worst, but maybe I was good little, right? Because of that reason, they selected me, right? And on the same day, I got the offer letter. I was really very happy. From working in a small company, I got an opportunity to work in a company like Oracle. In Oracle, there were so many benefits that I was getting at that time in the year 2016. But I was happy that I got a other company, a product-based company, airline organization. I got more exposure. I got to learn many things. In the Oracle company, I got an opportunity to work for a service-based project. In the airline company, I worked for a product-based company, and I always wanted to work for a product-based organization, right? Working in a product-based company is always an advantage. I will request each and every one of you. If you are still working in a service-based company, try to see if you can change yourself to the product-based company. If you are a female and you don't want much, if you don't want much challenge in your life, then you can settle down with a service-based company also, no problem. But if you are a male, I will request you to please work in a product-based company, right? That's my suggestion, so that you should not cry at the last stage, right? I still remember when I joined my airline organization, one person with 13 years of experience working in a TCS organization. TCS, I'm pretty sure you guys know TCS, right? With 13 years of experience, he joined our organization and he was knowing nothing. Me, with just 13 months of experience, I was giving a training to someone who had 13 years of experience. I was teaching him how to do performance testing using JMeter. I was teaching him how to do web security testing using Burp Suite. I was teaching him how to do API testing using Postman, right? I was teaching him how to write automation script with TestNG and whatever you guys have learned, right? He was knowing nothing. And with 13 years of experience, he joined the organization with just 13 lakhs package. With 13 months of experience, I joined the organization with 9 lakhs package. I'm just letting you all know. So my personal suggestions to my Indians is please work for a product-based company. If you are a male, if you are a female, you need to take care of your kids, let's say, please settle down with service-based company, not a problem. Please, my personal suggestion, right? And because balance is important in life, right? I mean, you cannot take care of your job also and your kids also. Let's take example. In that case, you can definitely join the service-based company, right? The headache will be less in the service-based company. The headache will be more and more in the product-based company, right? In the product-based company, losing a job is easier. I'm being very frank and telling. In a product-based company, losing a job is easier. In a service-based company, still losing a job is, your job is secure, little bit secure, right? That's why this is my suggestion, guys. Please do that. It will really make a impact in your life, right? And I will also request you guys that don't settle your targets less. Aim your target higher, right? Never. I don't want ever you guys to think that 3 lakh salary or 4 lakh salary or 5 lakh salary or 10 lakh salary is a huge salary. Never think like that. It's not high. You can still get more. You can still get more, right? So my request is, guys, never settle down with less salary. You can aim for the higher. You can really aim for higher. I also want to let you know that when I was working for the airline company, right, I still remember there was a person with 8 years of experience who joined our organization. One organization I was working. I mean, if I tell you, you will not believe his salary, the salary he was getting. He joined our SDET team, automation team. His salary was very huge. I don't want to tell his salary. You will not believe it. It was huge. But I can tell you also 56 lakhs with 8 years of experience. He joined the airline organization where I was working. I was working with him, right? He was the first person in my life when I got to know that a tester can also earn this much of salary. I was not knowing. I thought that tester can get a maximum salary of 1 lakhs per month. That should be highest, I believe, when I joined the organization. But seeing his salary, I was really astonished, right? And as the year is going, as the year is passing, a tester can really aim for higher and higher salary. In my lifetime, I have seen a person getting 56 lakh with 8 years of experience. It means that when you will have more year of experience, you will definitely meet someone who will be having more than that salary. You will definitely meet someone. You will definitely meet someone, right? So my request is never settle for the lesser salary, guys. Please aim for higher, right? Please, right? And the best way to get a higher salary is I think I have said it. In case not, then I'm sorry, because I'm running a multiple batches. I'm not able to understand that which statement I have said for which batch. So I don't remember whether I have said this point to you or not, but just want to let you guys know again that never demand a salary. First, get an offer letter of whatever the package that they are giving, and then you tell to the next companies that I need this much of package. This is what I used to do. I never demanded anyone that I need 4 lakhs because I was worried whether they will cut the call. Are you guys getting my point? If you tell more salary, the HR will cut the call. Indians HR, right? You can't expect more sympathy and everything from them. They may cut the call, right? So it's always advisable that when you receive the call from the HR, you can always tell them that I will be happy with your company standard, whatever the package. And then you can get the first salary. And after that, you can tell them that I already have a package of this much and I have an offer letter of this much. Now I need this much. With some valid point, you need to say, right? Sometimes what happens, your mind will never accept that this particular organization is paying the higher salary already to the testers. You never know. Maybe such informations are not present on the glass door also. You never know. Same thing happened with me when I joined one of the $1 billion company of one of the American MNC company. I joined them when my package was 14 lakhs. I cleared their interview. They asked me how much you're expecting. In my mind, I was about to tell them 17 lakhs, but I didn't say them. I said them that as per your company standard. They gave me a package of 21 lakhs. I was really happy. I didn't demand them. I never thought that they will give me joining bonus of 3 lakhs rupees. I never thought that. They gave me a joining bonus of 3 lakhs rupees. Are you getting what is joining bonus? I mean, when you join them, they will give you 3 lakhs additional other than your package. So I got it. It was like unexpected. 21 lakhs plus 3 lakhs. It was a huge salary for me that time. Right? So I will always request you guys that please first get an offer letter from any company. First tell them that I will be happy with your company standard, whatever the company standard you are offering, right? But after getting another offer letter, you can always play around. That's fine. Every successful person in this world do the same. So don't think that it is cheating. You can do it. If you don't do it, someone else will do it, right? So you have to do it, guys, right? Is anyone doing the same thing? Is anyone doing the same? Suman is doing the same, I guess. Okay. Is anyone also doing the same? Mahesh, you're trying to do the same? Seems like.
Yeah.
Okay.